First time ko kasi gumamit nito eh. Mahirap pala, tanggalin ko na lang.
Alam nyo guys, sobrang happy.
Gusto ko lang naman maging kagaya nyo ni Stel eh. At least na-picture na kanina.
Hindi, alam nyo guys, sobrang nakakatawa kasi nag-guest si Ray dito na mag-guest. Isa to sa, this is why we're playing guitar because we want to show you and we want to share with you kung paano kami nagbo-bonding, kung paano kami...
Hi po, I'm back.
Kung paano kami nagjo-jamming. So this is our favorite pastime.
Yes, and